Meet Bernard and Jake. Bernard ties his shoes with focus, then stretches with ease, every motion highlighting his strong athletic build. He drops into position, steady and calm, then bursts forward, his speed flowing effortlessly. Jake pushes forward, struggling with his stride. His coach leans in, guiding and encouraging, pushing him to keep going. Jake resets into his stance, determined, and when he runs again, each stride shows growth. Two children, two stories, but one big question. Are we shaped more by what we're born with or by what the world teaches us? To understand this, let's first define what we mean by nature and nurture.
Nature is like an elevator. It's the generic lift we're born, shaping our looks, temperament, and even potential for skills and intelligence. Nurture, on the other hand, is like taking the stairs, our family, culture, education, friendship, and opportunities. Guide each step we take after birth.
Now that we know what they mean, let's look at how they play out in real life.
I have a wonderful wife. I have a beautiful house. I have a politics. I have a point. But nature can be a natural talent. Even must perfectly wipe the trash.
Learning a specific language takes nurture. With practice and guidance, the skill slowly begins to grow, each word becoming clearer, each sentence flowing more naturally, until writing stories and poems feels like second nature. And through encouragement, confidence takes shape. Here's the key difference. Nature sets the potential, but nurture shapes how the potential is realized. Think of it like a seed. Genetics decide what kind of plant it can be, while the environment, soil, water, and sunlight decides how well it grows.
But which one matters more? This is where the debate begins. I object. Genes may set the stage, but the environment decides the story. Unloving, supportive home can transform a child's life more than the internet could ever.
Round 1. Fight!
For centuries, psychologists, scientists, and philosophers have argued, is it nature that shapes us the most or nurture? But perhaps this isn't a battle at all. Maybe the truth lies in the middle. The reality is, human development isn't shaped by nature or nurture. It is shaped by both. Our genes provide the foundation, but our environment builds upon it. It's a constant interaction of the two that makes us who we are. And this balance gives us the best picture of what truly shapes a child.
Genes load the gun, but environment pulls the trigger. In other words, who we become is not written in our DNA, nor in our surroundings, but in the beautiful dance between the two.